Zoysia tenuifolia, the allure of the no-mow grass. Hi, Ferb Vu here. I'm a passionate gardener and I constantly get questions about Zoysia tenuifolia, also known as Korean velvet grass or no-mow grass. This low-growing wonder has captured the hearts and lazy streaks of many homeowners. Let's delve into the world of Zoysia tenuifolia and answer some of the most common queries. See more 11 species in genus Zoysia at monsteraholic.com. What is Zoysia tenuifolia? Zoysia tenuifolia is a warm-season, perennial grass native to Southeast Asia. Unlike its lawn-dominating cousins, this grass boasts a fine texture and a dense, tufted growth habit. Imagine a lush, velvety carpet, that's Zoysia tenuifolia in all its glory. Is Zoysia tenuifolia truly a no-mow grass? Technically, no grass is entirely mow-proof. However, Zoysia tenuifolia lives up to its nickname remarkably well. This slow-growing grass stays low, typically reaching only 2 to 6 inches in height. In most cases, occasional trimming with shears is enough to maintain a neat appearance, eliminating the need for regular mowing. What are the benefits of planting Zoysia tenuifolia? There are several reasons why Zoysia tenuifolia is a popular choice. Low maintenance. As mentioned before, the minimal mowing requirement is a huge perk for busy homeowners. Drought tolerance. Once established, Zoysia tenuifolia thrives in drier conditions, making it ideal for water-conscious landscaping. Weed suppression. The dense growth habit effectively smothers weeds, reducing the need for herbicides. Soft texture. The fine leaves create a luxurious carpet-like feel, perfect for barefoot enjoyment. Erosion control. Zoysia tenuifolia's dense root system helps prevent soil erosion on slopes. Are there any drawbacks to consider? While Zoysia tenuifolia offers many advantages, there are a few things to keep in mind. Slow growth. This grass takes its time to establish, requiring patience during the initial stages. Shade tolerance. Zoysia tenuifolia prefers full sun to part shade. In areas with heavy shade, it might struggle to thrive. Traffic tolerance. While it can handle some foot traffic, Zoysia tenuifolia isn't the best choice for high traffic areas. How does Zoysia tenuifolia compare to other lawn grasses? Here's a quick comparison of Zoysia tenuifolia with some common lawn grasses. Bermuda grass, faster growing and more traffic tolerant, but requires frequent mowing and is less drought tolerant. Zoysia japonica, a more traditional Zoysia variety with coarser blades and higher mowing needs. Fescue, cooler season grass with good shade tolerance, but requires more watering and is less wear resistant. What are the best conditions for planting Zoysia tenuifolia? Zoysia tenuifolia flourishes in warm climates with well-drained soil and plenty of sunshine. Planting in spring or fall allows the grass to establish before facing extreme temperatures. How do I care for Zoysia tenuifolia? Here are some basic care tips. Watering. Water deeply and regularly during the establishment period, then adjust to infrequent watering once established. Fertilization. Light fertilization in spring and summer can be beneficial. Mowing. Occasional trimming with shears is sufficient for most situations. Where can I buy Zoysia tenuifolia? Zoysia tenuifolia is available at many nurseries and garden centers. It's often sold as plugs or sod, depending on your preference and project size. Can I grow Zoysia tenuifolia from seed? While technically possible, propagating Zoysia tenuifolia from seed is a slow and challenging process. Plugs or sod offer a much faster and more reliable way to establish this grass. Conclusion. Zoysia tenuifolia is a captivating choice for homeowners seeking a low-maintenance, beautiful lawn. Its soft texture, drought tolerance, and minimal mowing needs make it a dream for busy schedules and water-conscious landscapes. With a little planning and care, you can enjoy the luxurious feel of Zoysia tenuifolia in your own backyard.